And good morning and welcome to VSA Capital 5-Minute Morning Miner. It's Monday, May the 22nd. Morning, Paul. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. And you?
Yeah.
How was the golf?
The which?
How was the golfing?
Oh, don't. I mean, I played the front nine fine. And then I had a complete and utter meltdown on the back nine. It was just a disaster. I could hardly hit a bloody ball. It's all in your head. All in your head, golf. It's a crazy sport, but there you go. It's worse than bloody investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is probably easier. Anyway, right, it's all pretty quiet out there. There's a bit of news, isn't there, out on Andrada mining, and of course they are doing the rounds, wandering around the city at the moment. But Paul, what's the news today?
Yes, that particular press release on the Namibian tin miner listed on AIM Andrada Mining is that they have created their first petalite concentrates of commercial grade in a small quantity from an off-site test lab. That petalite grade on the cons came in under 4.5%, but their potential off-takers have told them that that is okay as far as the commercial quality is concerned. So they are proceeding with the construction of a pilot plant of commercial size out on the U.S. district itself where their mine is, and that will be constructed and completed during these summer months. Just to remind investors that petalite is the low iron lithium mineral preferred by the glass and the pharmaceutical industry over the more common spodumene.
Yep, very worthwhile reminding people of that. Okay, what else would you like to talk about on this very quiet morning?
Shanta Gold also has an update on their exploration activity here. Shanta being the AIM-quoted gold producer in Tanzania. They also put out a separate press release that they have appointed Matthew Boss as NED to the company. Lots of good progress they're reporting here for the newest mine, Singida, which is meeting expectations here on target production for them, they say, as well as there's been 34,000 meters of drilling now begun at its existing mine, New Luika, down in southwest Tanzania, as well as on the West Kenya project in West Kenya. So plenty of activity going on for sure there. Nothing particularly out of the ordinary that I can see in the various statements that they've made, but they've got a budget for West Kenya for this year of about $10 million. So they're really pushing that one ahead because of its grade as an open pit. So I think they'll be really keen to push that right along to essentially change the scope and scale of the whole company.
Very well. It sounds quite exciting, actually. It's very lowly rated, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It underappreciated is the best way to put it.
Yeah. I know that feeling sometimes, Paul. Okay. Anything else you want to quickly mention?
Yeah, it is important to mention two things. First of all, there has been another graphite discovery made by the firm working the Chalalo deposits, ASX listed Evolution Energy Minerals exploration program there has found a third ore body on what was a geophysical anomaly out to the north and west of the Chalalo main deposit. They've only tested a kilometer of a 5-kilometer geophysical trend, so it looks like it's got some significant size to drill out too, and it grades about, in drilling so far, a little over 5% in total graphitic carbon. And last of all, it looks like the G7 meeting is ended here, that they met over the weekend, but they did not agree on setting a timeline date to end investment in fossil fuels, which is definitely a disappointment to the climate lobby, I'm sure.
Oh, I expect they'll go and stick themselves to a road again. Using glue. That's got petrochemicals in it. Anyway, there you go.
That's
right. Very good, Paul. Speak to you tomorrow.
Very good. See you then.